Raffia palm. The unparalleled feeling you get when you find yourself in an environment that patronizes art, nature, and culture is what I felt when I visited Raffia palm. In fact, this spot gave me those village vibes with their decor, ambience, and friendly menu. Located at Area 2, Gariki, Abuja, this palm serves Nigerian dishes. I mean those actual village kitchen style delicacies, such as bole and fish, native and banga rice, ofada rice, asun, nkwobi, palm wine, name it all. Taking a walk around the palm, I saw different art designs with amazing cultural quotes and display that captures the eye. It is also a nice and quiet place for hangout and relaxation. This is definitely a cool spot for a group hangout on a weekend.
For more of Nigeria's finest tourist attraction, kindly click the subscribe button. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Experiencing Naija.